So this is a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and I'm going to do silver and black and white. So I'm just putting a layer of black. Trying to go on top and not let it go down into it, layer it. So I have a big canvas under my camera on the table. So I thought, well, I'll just video this with my cell phone. So it's over the stove. There's a light above it. So it's not great lighting, but you can get the gist of it. My dog just came in. If you hear panting, that's my dog, not me. He's been outside, so he feels good now. So I'm trying to keep it on top if I can, in layers. I got a flub in my white. That's the problem. See if I can get it out. Here we go. Got a big flugger. So the only thing that has silicone in it would be the silver. I'll put black next. The black and white don't have any silicone, but they're all mixed 50-50 with Floetrol. Okay, so back to the canvas, and I've got more paint than I need. I'm going to try to do a ring pour. I'm just kind of playing around, seeing what effects I can get. Okay, so now I'm going to take the black and just fill in the little areas in between a little bit. Just kind of even out the edges, sides, whatever you want to call it. Do the corners. It's kind of hard to video while you're painting as well, because you're trying to look at your canvas and in your camera at the same time. see. I don't think I really have much silver left, but just getting rid of whatever's left in my cup. So I'm going to see if I can do this one-handed. I'm not sure. Now my dog's drinking. You can hear him drinking up his water. So it's interesting with the silicone and the silver too. So tilt it away so I can film it better. And I don't have a steady hand, so I apologize for that. That one's a little bit light, so I'm going to squish it a bit. So actually, kind of like the way it looks right now. Just got to figure out. I'm going to kind of separate these just a little bit more. But I'm going to run my finger through it so it's not as obvious. A little white down on the side here, and use my finger. Almost to make it look like rings there. Same down here. So I'm trying to decide if I leave it. Okay, so that brought up something really cool. Right there. That's kind of interesting. The way those little caterpillar links formed. Kind of curious if I can get that to work anywhere else, but I don't know. I don't want to burn my paint. I think that's just about it. So there's shadows over here on above my oven. There's a hood, so I can't. You've got the reflection of the light, and then if I go over the canvas, you've got my shadows. So, but some super cool stuff that's happening. So I will post a picture of the dried picture at the end of the video so you can see how it turns out. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, it was just black and white, which is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, mixed 1:1 with Floetrol. And I had some silver, which was Dollar General silver. Crafter's Closet is the brand. And I added some steel metallic from Target, which was Handmade Modern is the brand. So Target does have craft paints in the party and stationery section. So I got a steel, which is like a charcoal metallic. But see, all these cells are popping out now. So they continue to just pop out. So it's kind of cool. And that one is changing as well in the corner, the lighter one. So thanks for watching. Check out the links below. Check out the link for my 2019 art calendar. You might want one. I'll put a link for it in the eye in the top right corner. It'll give the info, and it'll be a link at the bottom of the video. Thank you, and have a great Thanksgiving.